What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well, guys. We're gonna go work from Fantom. It's hit our first buy zone. Currently, we're sitting at 148. We're down about 6% on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 3.73 billion. 24-hour volume, 324 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app and grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime. Travel incentives depending on the level of card that you have. $25 just for signing up through my referral. Delicious freshly squeezed apple juice. Absolutely scrum-dilliumptious. Alright guys, so we're going to start here on the 1 hour. So we came down to 145, which was our first buy zone. So you would have got triggered into your trade if you're using our strategy here. And you can see we're starting to trend towards oversold on the 1 hour. And that's usually where you're going to see a bounce. Of course, it can go a bit lower, and this is why I have our next buy zone. We can see here, oversold, bounce right here, oversold, bounce right here, oversold, bounce back here, right here, oversold, bounce. So when you start to trend into the 1 hour RSI, into oversold, or any time frame, you're going to see a bounce relatively soon. All right, guys, if we pop over to this chart here, we're on the 4 hour time frame. I have noticed a bit of a symmetrical triangle. So if we come up, if we bounce off this level of support and we break out, I'll give you your target here. Would bring Fantom back up pretty close to our next level of resistance here, which is sitting at about $2. Let's look at where our take profit zone is for Fantom. Wow, that's actually a huge pump up to $2. Make sure that this is the right. Wow, that's actually a huge pattern, guys. Because from all the way from down here up to $2 is a huge gain. That's a 40% gain for Fantom if that were to take place. And move this down a little bit here. I do have a take profit zone sitting at about 189. But oh yeah, I guess that is a pretty massive pattern here. Take our level of resistance. Yeah, this is really a large pattern. Measure the body. Yeah, this could be a huge breakout if it breaks out to the upside. Yeah, all the way up to about $2. Wow. So do keep an eye on that, guys. If you see it start to bounce and break out, you never know. Fantom might go all the way back up to $2 here. And you can see here on the 4 hour time frame, pop back into the 4 hour. We're currently underneath the 1.272, this green line here. So we want to get back above it, because if we continue to hit as resistance, of course we can roll over. And we have levels of support here. We have one down about 95 cents. But I do have some buy zones at about 121 and then down at about 86 cents. So if we were to come down to 121, then your average price would come down to about $1.32 and you're ready to ride the slingshot back up. But I would expect a bounce relatively soon. And it's the same thing with Bitcoin here. Bitcoin's absolutely in the floor on the RSI. It doesn't mean we won't drop a little bit lower here. We are breaking out of this bear flag pattern. Your target is all the way down. Let me just leave it out here for you guys. And your target would bring you right down to that 40K level right here, 40K, which is this previous swing low, which is the level we can't afford to lose. But as you can see here, we're completely in the floor on the RSI. So I am expecting a bounce relatively soon. You can sell off. You can go lower on the RSI. As you can see here, we dipped a little bit lower right here as well. We dipped lower. Let me open it up on the chart just to give you guys the example. So that was the Corona dump where we dipped all the way down to 14. Now people are saying we're going to have another black swan like this around December 13th to 15th. I've been seeing that on YouTube and stuff like that. So that's why I always have my dollar cost average buy zones down for at least like 50 to 70% drop. Because as price drops, your average price is dropping as well. And you ride the slingshot back up, as I always like to say. So let's finish off the video here with Fantom. I'm going to pop this one over to the daily. We're in the floor on the RSI as well. So do expect a bounce relatively soon. You can see here on the daily, we're in the floor, bounce. We come back all the way back down here. Massive, massive bounce to the upside right here as well. Massive bounce. All right, guys. So that's a beautiful indicator of the RSI. You don't really need anything more than the RSI, the Scotch RSI, the MACD. Let's look at the Scotch RSI real quick. These are your main indicators to use, in my opinion. You can see the Scotch RSI as well. It's in the floor. As you can see here, we're in the floor. We had a nice little bounce. We're in the floor right here. We had a nice bounce to the upside as well. So we're in the floor once again. So I do think the bounce is coming. Whether it's here at $1.44 or it's down here at $1.21, this level of support, if I scroll back, you can see all the support in this area. So you come down, So if you're dollar cost averaging with equal amounts as a spot trader, double your margin as a leverage trader. If you come all the way down to 121, your average price is sitting at about 132, and you're ready to ride the slingshot back up. I do have my bull run targets for Fantom. I'll quickly go over those here. Just let me close this chart. Open this one up right here. Based off our Elliott wave theory, $5.97, but I do think Fantom will reach it to $9.93, the 2.272 on this bull run. All right, guys, we're just having the bearish cross on the daily, which isn't a great sign for the bulls. As you can see here, bearish cross right here, and we had a further correction, so do keep an eye on that as well. We're currently holding the 200 EMA here on the daily, this red line, so that does give us an opportunity to bounce. But if we do sell off, our next buy zone is 121. We have a buy zone at 86 cents and 58 cents for Fantom. I should probably add one more buy zone. Oh, I do have one all the way down here at about 16 cents. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Quick shout out to the Discord if you want full access to our trading strategy. Oh, hold up, guys. The trading strategies explained, as well as the DCA charts, are all posted in here. We also have over 1,000 members talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee, guys, and you can sign up through the Patreon. All right, much love. Take care.